Hello everyone, welcome back with me again in this channel. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can highlight muscles in a video using CapCut. So if you're a fitness content creator and you want to make your physique look absolutely divine in a video, so CapCut offers a quick and powerful tools to make your muscles pops, and this is how you can do it easily. First, you can open and import your fitness video into CapCut like this. So you need to do it on a CapCut PC because the mobile doesn't have this feature yet. Now you can just go to where you want to highlight. For example, I'm going to highlight in here. And then you can freeze the frame. So I'm going to click on a freeze and make it shorter for the freeze frame. Then I'm going to duplicate it and put it on top like this. And now let's deactivate the first freeze frame. Deactivate first and click on the overlay. Go to the mask and in here add mask and choose the pan option. So unfortunately this pan masking is not available yet on mobile, so you need to do it on the PC. So click on the pan and now you can choose or select the area that you want to highlight. Okay, for example, I'm going to go highlight the arms. Okay, like this. Let's activate the first freeze frame here. Click on overlay again and go to the adjust options and scroll down until you see the saturations. Increase it to 50 and click on the curves and find the green and blue color and lower this dot all the way to the bottom. So you'll get this red color on the highlighted parts. Okay, like this. But as you guys can see, it's not looking natural. So what you need to do is go back to the masking, click on the video mask and add some feather to the masking, just like so. And this is how it will look like now. Okay, it looks more natural. If you want to highlight again, you can just repeat the same steps. So guys, that's how you can highlight muscles in a video. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. I'll see you in the next one.